Hello YouTubers, today I'm gonna show you how to download Stacks Ducklet. What is Stacks Ducklet? Usually we can see this Apple Mac, um, in Apple Mac computers like this. Um, yan. If you want to download this, first open your web browser and go to rocketdock.com. After when you go here, click Get Add-ons, click on Ducklets, and key in. Oh, it's here, Stacks Ducklet. Download this, um, and click download file. After you've downloaded the file, this would come up. Extract this file and this one. Put in on your Rocket Dock directory. The default one is the program files, Rocket Dock, Docklets, and put it in here. This one. After you've put in the Rocket Dock directory, on your Rocket Dock, right click and add item. Then you could see here Stack Docklet. Click on it. This would come up. This one. After that, right click it, icon settings. Then on this one, you can see that if you click it, oh sorry, this one, if you click this Stack Docklet, the specific folder will open. Then you'll choose here anything, local disk, hard drive, documents, my computer. Then an icon, click on it and choose your default icons if you want anything. Um, okay, stall pop. And in mode, you can choose one of these. Grid. So thanks guys. Comment, rate, and if you have any suggestions, just comment me. Thanks guys.